I was asked about cleaning the school bus. Cleaning the school bus is an important part of your duties as a school bus driver. I think it goes along with if you want to be treated like a professional. It goes along with to keep a clean bus, just like your appearance. People just take you more seriously if you do that, and it's just better for everyone. If you get on board of the vehicle, you do not want to sit in a filthy space. You want to feel like it's clean. So that is the same for your passengers. After every ride, I do sweep the mat, the rubber mat, just like this. You have to do it. I mean, I would suggest do it after every run. As you do sweep, you might realize that your rubber mat needs some cleaning for whatever reason. They could be chewing gum. So what you do, you scrape the chewing gum. You try to pick it up with a napkin to avoid rubbing it against the floor and spreading it more. So you try to pick up as much as possible. There might be some pieces that stay stuck. What I do sometimes, if it's very hard to scrape or to take off, I put some ice to make it get a little bit tougher, so it's easier to to pick it up. That way, when it gets firmer, because you basically bring the temperature of the chewing gum down when that happens. So that's how you make it easy on you doing that. Also, what I do, I don't go through a thorough cleaning of the windows and mirrors after every run, but I definitely, if I see that something needs some attention, I use a glass cleaner. I use a paper towel to clean up the windows. Elementary kids especially have a tendency to put their fingers all over the window. So, it needs, very often you will need to clean the certain spots as you go. And what else? I was about to forget something. It'll come back. I'll show you a little bit. Yes.
How often do you wash that rubber mat, and how do you wash it? I've heard you should
Good point.
spray it with a hose.
Good point. Do not water hose that rubber mat. The wood the floor is made, it's not, it's plywood in many cases, so you do not want this floor to be totally ruined, to be totally rotten earlier than expected. You want to expand the life span of your floor. So that way you use a mop, a soapy watered mop, and you just clean up if necessary. Especially if a kid had an accident on the bus, then you might need, to deal with it right at the moment. But using a water hose to run water through the aisle is definitely not a good idea.